Well, thanks for joining me today. I wanted to go over a dash cam I picked up. I've been looking for a dash cam for my car, but I didn't want to spend a fortune on one. So I found this Kingslim, which really looks pretty good. I had a really good price on it. We'll do a little unboxing here. It says it has loop recording, emergency recording, parking monitor, wide dynamic range, supports up to 128 gigabyte card, and the rear camera is IP67 waterproof, which is really good. So it looks like a pretty good deal. Dual video recording, so it has front and rear facing. It's got a 3-inch IPS display. So let's take a look at this and see how it looks. Again, it was a really good price. I think it was on Amazon for maybe like $79 or something like that. So what comes in the box here is got the camera, of course. Nice looking little camera. It's got your on-off switch and some other switches over here. Your SD card acceptance there. Then I got a pretty good looking screen, a good sized screen there. So we'll have to see how that goes. And what else we got in the box here? Take a look. Looks like we got the rear-facing camera right here. Yeah, that's the rear-facing camera, which is good. And this looks like the cable that goes from the camera all the way back to the back. It's a pretty long cable, it looks like. And this looks like we got the windshield mount, which is the suction cup type, and this just bayonet mounts into the bottom of this here. So that's pretty good. It is all plastic, no metal, but that's okay. Makes it light. And then we have the cigarette adapter. It's in the box also. So that comes with it. And it looks like we have a tool here. Oh, looks like the tool for putting the wire. If you're going to run the wire around your windshield and down and under, this tucks it in there, so you can get that wire tucked away, and it doesn't. You don't have it just hanging there. And it's got a bunch of little other wire connector things here with some two-sided tape on it, so you can stick them on there. That's great. A little card from the manufacturer here is Akaso, I guess it is, AKASO. And a little card so you can join their club. And then you have, it looks like a instruction booklet, which looks like it's pretty well done here. Yeah, it shows you how to run the wire and the whole shot, where to go, how to put the thing together. One thing it does not come with is the SD card. So looks like a pretty good deal. So I'm going to install this in my car, get some video, and I'll put that on here and show you how that looks. Okay, I got the cameras installed, both the front and rear facing. Didn't take too awful long, probably about an hour or so to run the wires and everything. So that wasn't bad, but as far as I can see, the resolution on this camera is pretty darn good for the price. I mean, you can spend a lot more money and get better resolution, but it looks really good. It worked very easily, kind of a plug and play issue. And so again, this is the front facing camera, and then the rear facing camera just went on the back of the car, and the wires ran through the back. And this is the rear facing camera, and it looks really good also. I don't see any problems with it. There's not a lot of bounce on either camera, so stabilization looks pretty good. I think it's a really good setup for the price, and so far I like it. So check it out on Amazon.